Hi everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you 4 best strategies to help you win with crypto. Now these 4 strategies I'll be sharing with you in this video are things that I usually tell a lot of people when it comes to crypto, especially people who are new to the crypto market. And these are tips or strategies that can help you navigate the crypto market easily. Now I'm not going to be wasting your time in this video. I'll be going straight to the point and be sharing with you guys 4 strategies that can help you win with crypto. Before I go into this, if you are new to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Now to the 4 best strategies to help you win with crypto. Number 1 is develop a long-term mindset. Now for me, this is the number 1 thing that everyone should know when it comes to crypto, especially for beginners. Now, but it's so sad that a lot of people nowadays don't want to have that long-term mindset. People just want to make money and get away. And it's not as easy as a lot of people think it is. It's not as easy as that. There are instances where I get messages from people and people telling me that, oh Femi, which crypto can I invest in and get like 50% profits after 1 month? Some people even go as high as saying, which crypto can I invest in and get 10% every day? And when I get questions like this, it gives me headache. It shows that a lot of people don't want to, have that patience or have that long-term mindset to be able to win with crypto. And that is why you've noticed a lot of people are losing money in the crypto market. They don't want to learn anything. They just think that they can just come into the crypto market and just make money and get away. But it doesn't work like that. So if you really want to win with crypto, you need to have that long-term mindset. And if you can't have that kind of mindset, then don't bother going into crypto. Number 2 is to learn market analysis. Now, this is one of the most important things you need to know as a crypto trader or a crypto investor. You need to learn market analysis, you need to learn fundamental analysis, you need to learn technical analysis. Now, if you call yourself a crypto trader and then you know nothing about technical analysis, you are just joking. And if you are investing in crypto and you know nothing about fundamental analysis, then you don't know what you are doing. So if you really want to win with crypto, you need to learn fundamental analysis, you need to learn technical analysis and market analysis. These analyses are things that will help you navigate the crypto market easily, especially as a beginner. So if you are a beginner or you are new to crypto, make sure you take time to learn market analysis, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. It is really going to help you. Number 3 is to diversify your crypto portfolio. Now, if you want to start investing in crypto, my advice is that never put all your capital in one cryptocurrency. It is very bad and it is not advisable. There are thousands of crypto out there that you can invest your money in, and at the same time, be careful of the kind of crypto you are investing your money in. So make sure you diversify your portfolio. It is really going to help you grow in the crypto space. Number 4 is always keep learning. Now, this is something that has helped me personally to be able to grow and win in the crypto market. Now, I always keep learning. I always keep watching videos. I always keep attending classes, webinars, taking courses on crypto, and I never stop learning. Even with the fact that I've used 3 years in the crypto market, I'm still learning every day. So if you're new to crypto, don't think that maybe after taking one course or one class or attending one webinar on crypto, then you think you've known it all. No, you need to be learning every day. Always keep learning. There are new things in the crypto market that you still need to learn. So always keep learning. And if you want to learn crypto trading and how to make profit from it, you can register for the complete crypto trading course for beginners 2022. Now, in this course, you'll be learning all the strategies to trade cryptocurrencies for profit and make it a source of income for yourself. Now, let me show you the things you're going to be learning in this course. In this course, you'll be learning the following. You'll learn how to trade cryptocurrencies for profit. You'll learn fundamental analysis. You learn technical analysis. You learn how to generate signals by yourself. So for most of you that are paying people to get signals from them and then you are getting nonsense from them, you can learn how to generate signals all by yourself, which is very important. You also learn how to use technical indicators like moving average and moving average convergence divergence, which is also known as MACD. You also learn how to use Bollinger Bands and relative strength index. These are very important technical indicators that you need to know as a crypto trader. You also be learning how to differentiate between each technical indicator, and you also know when to buy and sell coins for profit. And this is actually one of the problems that a lot of people are facing in crypto trading. So in this course, you learn how to know when to buy and sell coins for profit. And also you'll be learning how to differentiate between the different types of orders and when to use them. You'll be learning spot trading. You'll be learning futures trading. So whether you want to learn spot trading or futures trading, you'll be learning everything in this course. And also you'll be learning risk management for crypto traders, which is very, very important. And also here you'll be learning the strategies on how to become a profitable crypto trader. So you'll be learning different strategies. I'll be showing you the different strategies that you can use to trade crypto for profit right here. And here you'll be learning different ways you can make money as a crypto trader. So aside from trading crypto, there are still other ways you can make money as a trader. I'll be showing you everything in this course. And also you'll be learning how to make crypto trading your source of income. So in case you don't know, crypto trading has been my source of income since 2020 and I've been making money from it steadily. So if you want to know how to make profit and make it a source of income for yourself, then you should register for this course also. And also you will learn what makes crypto prices go up and down. So you can see that there are a lot of things you are going to be learning from this course. Now, as you can see here, this course is a 3-hour course, and also you have full lifetime access to this course. So if you register for this course, you have full lifetime access to the course. So it's not as if maybe after 1 month or after 2 months you don't have access again. No, you have access to the course for life without paying any additional money. So in case I'm adding new topics or new videos to the course, you'll be getting the new ones for free once you register. And also you'll be getting a certificate of completion once you complete the course. And also, if you register for this course, you have a free access to my WhatsApp where you can have one-on-one questioning and ask me any kind of questions that you want to ask me if you register for the course. Now, these are the requirements for the course. Desire to learn crypto trading. So you must have the desire to learn. You must have a Binance account and you must have a phone or a laptop. And then you must have your pen and jotter, which is very, very important. So the price of this course is just 14,500 naira or $25. So that means you'll be getting all of this content, all of this right here for just 14,500 naira or $25. So if you want to register for this course, for the complete crypto trading course for beginners, just tap the link in the description of this video. It will be the first link in the description of this video, or you check the pinned comment in the comment section to register for this course. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.